Assessments of rental properties are important because you want to be aware of the condition of your investment. This video will give you a guide to the various types of routine assessments. Hi, I'm Mark with Specialized Property Management. Assessing your rental property on a routine schedule is part of protecting its condition and preserving its value. In this video, we'll go over the 6 types of routine assessments you need. Number 1, the PreMarket Assessment. Before you begin advertising your property, it's critical to do a thorough assessment so you can have peace of mind that it's ready for occupancy. Check all safety features and maintenance functions of the property and make a list of any issues that need to be addressed. Number 2, a move-in assessment. This is the most important assessment and your best opportunity to avoid disputes over the security deposit after a tenant moves out. The move-in assessment should be done right before your tenant takes possession of the property. It should be detailed and well documented. Go through the house and take pictures and make notes about the condition of everything. Be honest, and the tenants will appreciate you being upfront about any imperfections, so they won't have to worry about being charged for them later. Number 3, a mid-tenancy assessment. Your tenants are entitled to privacy and the quiet enjoyment of their home, which means you can't show up unannounced to look around anytime you want. Instead, set the expectation that you will conduct an assessment near the middle of their leasing period to check on the property's condition. Number 4, PMIs. This is a property owner's option. The preventative maintenance assessment is conducted on a scheduled rotation that's requested by the property owner on either a quarterly, semi-annual, or annual basis. This assessment gives the owner a view of the condition of the property during tenancy and identifies any needed maintenance repairs that may be required before they become a major issue. Number 5, assessments during maintenance visits. These are good opportunities to take a look around to make sure the property is being well maintained. If you've established good relationship with the vendors, you can even ask them to take a look around for you. Number 6, a move-out assessment. Before the tenant moves out, we recommend that sending them a checklist to let the tenants know what you'll expect. Typical requirements include removing personal property and returning all keys and other property belongings. During the move-out assessment, you'll use the same checklist that you used during the move-in assessment. The idea is to do the same thing. Inspect every detail of the home and take pictures. It should be easy to see what's different. Assessments are a crucial part of renting out property, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about conducting assessments or you need help knowing what to look for, contact us at Specialized Property Management.